Hey guys, today we're making a lemon loaf. This is Starbucks inspired. This is my favorite thing to get from there, so I figured I'd try to make it at home. So without further ado, let's get into the recipe. In a small bowl, you want to add your sugar and your lemon zest, and you want to mix this together, and this helps release the oils from the zest, making the cake more flavorful. To that, you want to add your vegetable oil and softened butter. Next, you want to add in your eggs one at a time. Your mixer should be on a medium-high speed. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl, and then we're going to add in our lemon juice, vanilla extract, and lemon extract. And I guess I forgot to film this part, but it's just a mix of flour, baking powder, and salt, and you whisk that together before adding that to your wet ingredients. Once that's done, you want to add in your sour cream, and then you're going to add in the rest of your dry ingredients, and then your milk. Once your batter is ready, you want to pour it into a loaf pan and bake at 350 or 50 to 55 minutes. Once your cake is out the oven, I started on my simple syrup mixture, which is just water, sugar, and then we also add a little bit of lemon juice to this later on. Once your cake is out the oven and your simple syrup is ready, you can start adding it to the top of your loaf, and this just adds some more moisture to the cake and some more flavor as well. And then I just made my glaze, which is just powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and lemon juice with a little bit of whipping cream to loosen this up. And I just used my whisk to mix this together. And this is very hard to mess up. I just eyeballed everything. If it's too loose, add more powdered sugar. If it's too thick, add more heavy whipping cream. Once your icing is done, you can pour this to the top of your cake and get ready to slice into it. This was definitely very delicious. I think I slightly overbaked mine because I was halfway asleep when I put it in the oven, but it's okay. It still turned out good. Definitely would have been better if I didn't overbake it, but I definitely recommend. As usual, original recipe link will be below along with the measurements if you guys want to make it at home. Let me know in the comments how you liked it, and I'll see you guys with a new video soon. Bye y'all.